everybody, it's your girl Kat, and today I'm going to be pranking Nathan. Vlogging today. You want to say something to the people? Oh. Damn. We slept pretty late, huh?
The dog is touching.
Oh.
Boy, if you don't. Honk at me sign?
What? No.
Do you have a honk at me sign?
Hit me when you're wrong.
Am I driving stupid?
You're probably driving dumb.
How the fuck am I driving dumb?
You swerving.
Am I?
Yeah.
Am I still driving?
There you go.
Bro, what the fuck?
Do we have like, is something like, is the trunk open?
I don't know.
I'm getting pissed.
What the fuck?
I don't like
this. This is embarrassing me. Bro! I'll put my hood up, bro. What the fuck? Weird ass people. I'm about to exit off.
Oh, it's over here?
No, so I can look what the fuck they're talking about.
Nah, fuck it. Is this the one in Westmore? No, where is it? What's that? By Redbird? Is it, babe?
Why the fuck is people honking?
Dude, do you think I know?
Can I get one more honk? It's honk season.
Want more?
Start honking.
I get one more honk. I'm gonna stick my head. I don't care if you're driving. Like, I'm gonna stick it right here in the wheel. Be like, what do you want? That was kind of like
That was
too soft. That was too soft. What do you want?
What happened? You want some?
What's happening? Like that one song goes. What's happening? What's happening? It's kind of cold now. Babe, I'm about to fire you up.
Why?
Boy, you slow as a turtle.
Bro! Dude, I'm in my fucking lane. I'm in my lane.
You kind of were swerving though. You're on your phone.
I'm following bitch ass. Oh, you went the wrong way.
Was it this one?
Yeah. Today's not my day. Sorry, fuck not my day.
Sorry, anything you want to say? Thank you for driving with us.
I know what you got up your sleeve.
Why you had to check?
I knew
No!
it, dude.
Oh my god.
I'm a YouTuber myself, bruh.
No,
I'm a YouTuber myself. I knew this stupid shit. And, bro, you know how many cars we passed by?
Phil, were you mad or not?
Bro, no, I watch a lot of YouTube. I already knew the joke. When the third honk came on, like, boy, you better get your big.
Nah, he lying.
I already knew.
He was pissed.
Cause I was like, I'm gonna pull over.
Nah,
I didn't know.
He pissed. Yeah, whatever. He said I'm shy. I'm gonna put my thing over. But that was an epic fail.
You got me too, and you're like, no, drive. I was like, I'll drive. And he hit me with this bullshit.
That's why I had the cover.
No wonder I couldn't see out the fucking camera. That was funny.
I hit that. Oh. Well, till next time, everybody. Hey, yeah. Record that shit. My blood is going up. Get in front of the light. Come on. People got problems. I guess I got problems too. What the hell's going on? Stupid ass bitch. What the fuck? Now you know why everybody was talking.